Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the screw and cleaning the hole thoroughly so you can see the damage. Once done, inspect whether threads are stripped or the hole is oversized. Make sure to remove oil and chips with a brush and solvent so adhesives bond. Now choose your repair path: helicoil/insert or epoxy plus oversized screw. Prepare the drill and tap one size up if you plan an insert. Otherwise, mix the metal epoxy per instructions and have a correctly sized replacement screw ready. You now decide between retapping or installing a threaded insert. If retapping, secure the work, lubricate the tap, cut slowly and back out to clear chips so threads form cleanly. Once tapped, test with a screw and confirm fit. If using an insert like a helicoil, drill to the adapter size, tap the adapter thread, insert coil, and break tang. Make sure to keep tools square to the hole. Misalignment causes failure, so use a guide or vise to stay straight. You can also repair with metal epoxy if threads are beyond retapping. Mix the two-part filler fully to an even color and fill the hole, then insert a temporary mandrel or the actual screw to shape the thread. Remove after partial cure if required. Once fully cured, trim and file flush, then retap to the correct final size so the screw seats properly. If the repair fails or the screw pulls out, make sure to try a larger insert or move to a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.